Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul, or actually bow haul and planner clip haul. This one right here comes from Coffee Break Planner. I love this company and it's close to where I live, and so I love definitely supporting companies that are close to me and are small and are phenomenal, and this is one of them. Okay, this first one is from, this is a fabric bow, and it's for the Traveler's Notebook. It's a planner clip, and it is the flower. And then I have the matching, let me not mess this up. Then I have the matching bow. So I can put one in my regular planner or in my TN, and then I can hang this on the outside. How pretty is that? Lovely. And then I have these two matching. Love the colors. Is that not beautiful? I'm hoping that you can pick it up. And then I ordered this one. I love this one. This one actually just reminds me of coffee. I don't know why, but it's just perfect colors for me. These are my colors. Absolutely beautiful. This is the teal and green one. And that's what I got. And then I got a freebie. It says, thank you for shopping with us. Hair appointment, clean me, which is makeup brushes, food, shoe, shopping bags, crock pot, laptop, and bildew quarter box. Very cute. Thank you, Coffee Break Planner. That's what I got from them. It's from Lizzy Beth Bows. She gave a ton of freebies. My pink papery, Planning Geek Designs. There's her card, Lizzy Beth Bows. Purple Bunny Prints. Planner Girl stickers. This one's Be a Pineapple, Stand Tall, Wear a Crown, and Be Sweet. And this is from Emily's Planner. Innovations, I'm sorry. Love that foil. Then this is from PGE exclusive freebie. And I love this. It's one of those hide ones. And she gives you several and shows you how to use them. So I love that. I think those are so cool, and I definitely will be using that and tagging you in it. This one is Silly Sky's Dream. This one is Planner Pixie, and this is from the Planner Pixie Co. Nana Sticky Stickers. The Planner Mama and Company. This was for the, it says, thank you so much for your support during the Planner Girl exclusive sale. I hope you enjoy all your goodies. Follow me at Lizzy Beth Bows, which I already do. So this was during the Planner Girls exclusive sale. And so I ordered, I'm so excited about this. I cannot even stand it. I'm all about Halloween, but let me show you this one first. This one is the orange, purple, and green black tiger stripes planner clip. And they are so well made, it's not even funny. They are so sturdy. They're strong. You can tell that they will last a very long time. And then this is the one I'm so excited about. I can't stand it. The black bat leather planner clip. It's a bow tie bow planner clip. But it's the vampire black. Can you see that? That is amazing. Amazing. I am so in love. And I was freaking out because I went to go get it and they were sold out, and I said, you're sold out, and they added more. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot wait to use this. Definitely will tag you in my plan with me when I do use it. I'll probably use it in most of my Halloween plan with me's because I'm just in love. So that is what I got from Lizzy Beth Bows and from Coffee Break Planners. Please go check both of these companies out. They are wonderful, awesome people to work with. They are fast. They do beautiful work. I mean, well made bows and clips. You will not be disappointed. So please go check them out. I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you soon. Bye-bye.